Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you a project that I finished on a miniature. It will be about the Sylvaneth Druanti, the Arch-Revenant. So I do not play Age of Sigmar or don't have any in-depth knowledge about these characters. As far as I have uh, read on the website, this is a frontline commander or a unit who is mostly used for attacking the front lines. Um, Basically, it flies over the battlefield, inspires the Sylvaneth troops, has on its back a zephyrspite, and is a melee combat unit. So it is a 18 piece plastic miniature from Games Workshop for the Age of Sigmar game, tabletop game. So nothing complicated. Like I mentioned, 18 pieces. There are no options, so no head options, no weapon options. And it took me a while to complete it, but now it is finished. And this is the final miniature painted. So it has a really nice shaped spear and shield. It is stepping on a large skull. Some vines are growing through. I paint all my miniatures via a subcomponent build, so everything that can be built apart will be built apart, and then in the final steps are glued together. So sometimes it is better when you are gluing the miniature to the base. Sometimes I not glue them to the base to be easily accessible underneath some parts. Okay, so this was the Arch-Revenant from Warhammer Age of Sigmar. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm more happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. Thank you for watching and wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.